Wealthbank traces its origin in the year 1967 when Danao City Development Bank was granted a thrift bank license and authority to operate by then Central Bank of the Philippines. This single-branch thrift bank, principally located in Danao City, had equity participation by the Development Bank of the Philippines and the Land Bank of the Philippines. In 2001, Vixal Development Corporation acquired Danao City Development Bank. In the succeeding year, Danao City Development Bank merged with Metro Gaisano Group's Prime Asia Landing Incorporated to upgrade the license to thrift bank servicing in areas where Prime Asia was present. Year 2002 was the start of branch expansion period for Wealthbank. It subsequently added 5 more branches. The bank also transferred its head office from Danao City to Cebu Business Park, one of Cebu's major business districts. By 2005, the bank's focus was to achieve its vision to become a stable financial institution. It started building its revenue base that enabled it to expand further to 11 branches in the Visayas Mindanao area by 2008. By 2010, the bank had already achieved its goal of financial stability and crafted a new and bolder vision to become a world-class financial institution with global reach. This began the era of rapid growth for Wealthbank. Its business strategy was to focus on the Vixal ecosystem. It repositioned itself to service primarily the Vixal group of companies, employees, suppliers, patrons of the Metro department stores and supermarkets, and shopping mall goers. The bank also served small and medium enterprises, or SMEs. Wealthbank also continued to expand and further develop its market niche, including the open market, auto, housing, commercial, and branch banking. In 2011, Wealthbank expanded its operations to Metro Manila and Luzon, with 5 more branches added that increased the total number to 16 branches nationwide. In the same year, Wealthbank became the first thrift bank that ventured into the BankNet outsourced ATM switch service and installed 17 ATMs. These were located in shopping malls for the convenience of its cardholders and all ATM public users. Going beyond the traditional points of contact, Wealthbank aggressively introduced more customer touchpoints through the launching of its website, the ATMs for convenient transactions, the debit card for point-of-sale transactions, and the BankNet connection for internet and mobile banking access. These points of contact allow the bank's customers to transact globally and vice versa, foreign visitors to access their accounts locally. In 2013, through its network of 16 branches, the bank introduced the specialized lending for the teachers of the Department of Education, which currently makes a significant 1 billion peso contribution to the bank's total loan portfolio. In 2014, the bank initiated e-learning that increased access to quality and cost-effective learning opportunities to all Wealthbank employees. This was to address the need of its employees to acquire new skills, sharpen existing ones, and increase productivity. The first thrift bank that introduced e-learning to its employees. To further improve the convenience, speed, and hassle-free approval of auto loans transactions, the bank developed automated loans processing system. ALPS made the fastest ever auto loan approval in just 4 hours. The first bank in the country that used a mobile phone for credit initiation through the cloud computing system. Also in 2014, the bank garnered various recognitions from BankNet as top outsourcing bank on e-load acquirer and issuer transaction, top outsourcing bank on interbank fund transfer issuer transaction, and outsourcing bank with a top performing ATM in Visayas. In 2015, Wealthbank was among the first to develop and implement the BOSS Online Approval System, a system that allows our debt and loan approvers to approve transactions using mobile phones. It supported clients by meeting their transactional needs and offered the highest level of services in the industry. In 2016, Wealthbank was one of the first banks to develop and implement its own check truncation application, as well as implement Euro MasterCard Visa Card. Among Wealthbank's competitive advantages is the capacity to serve the unique needs of its market niches by developing customized and innovative products. The bank introduced MyCash ATM and MyCash Payroll Savings Account with a free accident insurance up to 5 times the average daily balance to a maximum of 2 million pesos. Wealthbank subsequently launched its banner deposit products PowerMax for individuals and Power Plus for corporations, the first bank in the industry to promote convenient access to their accounts in 8 finite ways. Likewise, the bank launched Wealth Aspire that featured a program deposit with bonus interest to encourage customers to save up and achieve their medium-term personal and financial goals. The bank also customized commercial lending products and services to cater to the specific business needs of its small to medium enterprise customers. To fulfill the bank's mission of providing a pleasant and memorable banking experience, it recently launched its customer service program, Wealth Service. The program addressed the hierarchy of customer service experience that goes beyond the traditional banking service programs. Another unique wealth service initiative to provide greater convenience is 7-day, 10-hour banking in mall branches and extending banking days and hours in all branches nationwide. From the year 2010 to 2015, the bank achieved a cumulative annual growth rate of 29.24% in total resources, 30.28% in loans, and 32.31% in deposits. Wealthbank's industry ranking has risen significantly between 2010 up to the first half of 2016, from 28th to 19th in total assets, from 27th to 17th in total deposits, from 25th to 18th in total loans, and from 43rd to 6th in return on equity. Moreover, when ranked among independent thrift banks, Wealthbank is 10th in total assets, 8th in total deposits, 9th in loans, and 3rd in return on equity. With its phenomenal growth, Wealthbank is considered as one of the fastest growing thrift banks in the country. A VDC member, Wealthbank is the first and only thrift bank in the Philippines to become a subsidiary of a multinational bank, Uri Bank. Recognizing its strong potential for expansion and growth, Uri Bank partnered with VDC for Wealthbank in 2016. Uri, established in 1899 as Daehan Cheonil Bank and later renamed to Uri Bank, is South Korea's oldest and second largest bank in terms of total assets, ranking 91st worldwide. For the past 100 years, Uri has served as a treasury bank for the Seoul metropolitan government and managed funds raised for the national debt redemption movement. It also served as the driving force behind Seoul's economic growth by serving as a lender for promising exporters. By the third quarter of 2016, Uri Bank had a total of $212 billion in deposits, $245 billion in loans, and $295 billion in total assets. Uri is also known for its technological innovation and use of computer and mobile telephony. In 2015, Uri Bank launched Weebee Bank, considered to be Korea's first mobile-only bank. It also entered partnership with Samsung to provide Samsung Pay payments and ATM cash withdrawal transactions. Uri Bank was acclaimed Bank of the Year in Korea by The Banker in 2004, 2007, 2008, 2010, and 2011, and by the Asian Banker in 2011, 2012, and 2013. Uri Bank brings to Wealthbank its international experience in serving a vast array of 22 million retail clients and over 1 million commercial firms, conglomerates, and public institutions with its 956 branches in South Korea, as well as its 234 branches in 20 other countries. This synergy between Uri Bank and VDC for Wealthbank will expand its market reach to serve Korean SMEs and the overseas Filipino workers, as well as Korean businesses operating in the country and Korean citizens visiting and working in the Philippines. Customers can look forward to additional branches, ATM outlets, and more products and services, including Foreign Currency Deposit Unit, FCDU, Government Securities Trading, Credit Card, Quasi-Banking, and Remittance.
This partnership will definitely bring us to the next level. We now can compete in the wider banking market. Our insights in the local network and markets, plus the technology and management depth of Uri Bank, will definitely bring this partnership to a global standard.
With the reputation and market power of Bigsan, together with the advanced IT system and financial knowledge of Uri Bank, that combined with your passion, I assure you that there is nothing that can stop us from making Wealthbank bigger and stronger. And to do so, I will be beside you as the member of Wealthbank.
This major milestone is key in the fulfillment of Wealthbank's vision beyond global reach to global presence. This partnership between Uri Bank and VDC for Wealthbank brings a shared vision of leadership in the global banking industry. Their aligned corporate values, centering on employee and customer well-being, innovation, integrity, and excellent business performance, create a fabric of interconnectedness, shaping the identity of a dynamic organization that takes banking to the next level, putting the stakeholders at the heart of the business. At Wealthbank, we are all about you.